I've been a customer of, say, Amazon from 1996. This is 2022. So 22, so about 26 years. What do you think has been my lifetime value for Amazon? And I'll add context to this, right? So I was in Pakistan from 1996 to 1998. I left in 98. Then I was in the US from, let's say, 1998 to 2002. Then I came back to Pakistan and I was in Pakistan and have been in Pakistan since 2003 to 2022. So 1, 2, 3. How much do you think, what do you think has been my LTV, my lifetime value as far as Amazon is concerned? Take a guess. There are no right or wrong answers. Just do a quick calculation of, what my LTV is or was to Amazon over this 26-year association. My first order was 96, second order was 97. The regular orders between 98 and 2018, right? My take would be about $1,500 per quarter in these regular years. And my assumption is that Amazon made about 15% contribution margin on those orders. Across 20 years, from 96 to, let's say, 2018. So 20 years, $6,000 a year, 15% margin. So that gets you to about $18,000. If you think in terms of your estimates, 30,000, 10,000, 5,000, about $300,000. But it doesn't stop here. So this is just me and Amazon, right? But Amazon actually has a couple of other things. So one element is what I call generational transfer. So I bought Amazon, my Begum bought Amazon, my sisters bought from Amazon, and now my kids who are now outside Pakistan are also buying from Amazon. Second is evangelism, right? I was a big fan. I don't think I'm as big a fan now, but there are different considerations for that. But still, third was behavior change. When people saw me buying, and my purchase is visible because they say, "Kahan se aaya? Acha, I bought on Amazon. Kitni देर में आया?" So it was not just in terms of that I was buying for myself. I was also influencing behavior around me. But the most important and interesting piece are product extensions. And on the product extension side, there is Prime. So I was a member of Prime for about 18 years. And Prime is about $100 a year. Shelf life is about 18 years. And margins about 50% plus. That's about $900. Not a lot, but still, that's a 20-year association. Second is Audible. Audible, I think I've been a customer for about 5 years. And that's about, not a lot, about $450. The biggest one though is AWS. AWS, I've been a customer for about 10 years, right? And that's my bill. That's about $12,000. So if I add these three to that $18,000 estimate, we're at about $31,000. So $18,000 directly from Amazon, $900 from Prime, $450 from AWS, and a total of about $12,000 from AWS. So that gives you about $31,350. And that's after 26 years. Now, would my purchases in future years be similar? I don't think so, right? A lot of the stuff that I was buying when I was growing as a business, when I was starting a business, when shipping logistics were easier, when there were not as many hassles and issues with buying from Amazon and shipping stuff to Pakistan. But I'd say there's also a question of affordability and the depreciation of the Pakistani rupee and my own purchasing capacity. But I'd say, if I have, let's say, 10, 15 years of economic activity left, there's a reasonable chance that it may not be as high as $31,000, but it might actually get to about another $10,000 to $15,000 over the next 10 to 12 years. My number of years into the dollar value of my orders and my contribution margin, right? That's how the number came from. And then we repeated this for all extensions that were there in total for about $31,000.